In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Unbounce landing page destination URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make the change safely so your visitors land on the right page every time. First, head to your Unbounce dashboard and open the page overview for the landing page you want to update. The page overview is the hub for everything about that page, so it's the right place to adjust settings that affect how people reach it. At the top of the page overview, you'll see the current URL for your page. Click that URL. This opens a pop-up where you'll make your changes. Think of this pop-up as the control center for your page's address. In the pop-up, start by choosing the domain. You can use the Unbounce default domain or pick a custom domain you've already connected to your account. If you want the page to live on your brand's website, choose your custom domain. If you're just testing or don't have a custom domain set up yet, the Unbounce default works fine. If you don't see your desired domain in the list, it likely means it hasn't been connected or verified in Unbounce yet, so pick a domain that is available. Next, edit the page path, which is the part that appears after the domain. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to remember. Use lowercase letters, hyphens instead of spaces, and avoid special characters. For example, something like summer offer or demo sign-up is clear and user-friendly. If this page already gets traffic, be mindful that changing the path can break existing links. So plan to update your ads, emails, and navigation wherever the old URL is used. When you're happy with the domain and the path, click Save URL. This saves the new address in your page settings. One more important step. Republish your page so the changes go live. Until you republish, your updated URL won't be active. Click Republish, wait for the confirmation, and then open the new URL in your browser to verify everything loads correctly. It's a good idea to test in an incognito or private window and check any critical forms or buttons on the page. If you updated the domain, ensure the page shows as secure with HTTPS. That's it. Open the page overview, click the URL, choose your domain, edit the path, save, and republish. With those steps, you've cleanly changed your Unbounce landing page destination URL.